n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equals to 21. Here on LHS only variable terms, right? 3 terms are here. In these 3 terms we can see common variable n, right? This is also equals to 1 by 2 into n minus 3 by 4 into n plus 5 by 6 into n equals to 21, right? Then next I am going to take n into outside. N into, in first term left over there only 1 by 2. In second term minus 3 by 4. In third term plus 5 by 6. Here we can see 3 rational numbers, right? To add these 3 rational numbers, better to have LCM. What about LCM of 2, 4, 6? Yes, LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12, right? In the earlier classes you have learned how to find LCM of numbers. Okay? Then this is equals to, okay, let's mention here LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12, right? Is 12. Listen carefully, children. Our first rational number 1 by 2. 2 into 6 is equals to 12, right? So first fraction becomes 1 into 6 divided by 2 into 6 minus second fraction 3 by 4. 4 into 3 equals to 12. So here we have to multiply 3 plus 6 into 2 equals to 12. So third rational number 5 by 6 into 2, here also into 2 into n. Okay, then what about here RHS is only one constant term, that is 21. Clear, no? Next step, 6 ones are 6 by 12 minus 9 by 12 plus 10 by 12 into n equals to 21. Now we can see there equal denominators, right? Upon equal denominator 12, 6 minus 9 plus 10. Listen carefully, children. 6 plus 10. How much is there? 6 plus 10 is equals to 16. Then 16 minus 9. How much is there? Yes, positive 7. So this is equals to 7 by 12 n equals to 21. Then n equals to 21 into 12 divided by 7, right? Then 21 by 7, familiar, no? How much is that? 21 by 7, yes, 3. Then 3 12s are 36. To find this question's answer easily, we have to give a bracket on LHS and RHS. Let's see. This is also equals to m minus bracket m minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. Clear, no? Next I am going to split m minus 1 by 2 and m minus 2 by 3. Listen carefully. m minus 1 by 2 also equals to m by 2 minus 1 by 2, right? Equals to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3 equals to m by 3 minus 2 by 3. Clear, no? Then next step, m minus. This minus into m by 2 minus m by 2 minus into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 1 minus into m by 3 minus m by 3 minus into minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Have to keep all the variable terms on LHS and all the constant terms on RHS. Here variable term already there, m minus m by 2 also here. Then here minus m by 3. We have to transpose from here to here. It becomes plus m by 3 equals to constant term 1 already there plus 2 by 3 also there. We have to transpose as positive 1 by 2 from here to RHS. It becomes minus 1 by 2. Then there is no denominator. We can write it as m by 1. Here also no denominator is 1 by 1. Now listen carefully. M by 1 is also equals to 1 by 1 into m, right? Minus m by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 into m plus m by 3 is equals to 1 by 3 into m. Clear, no? Equals to 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Now listen carefully, children. First I am going to simplify LHS. M is common in these three terms, right? Okay. We can take m into outside. Then left over there in first term only 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 equals to, listen, here 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Here also we have to consider LCM of 1, 3, 2. What about LCM of 1, 3, 2? As it is 6. 1 into 6 equal to 6, right? So first fraction becomes 6 by 6, right? Plus 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So second fraction becomes, or second rational number becomes 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 2, right? Is there any confusion, children? Plus 2 into 3 equal to 6. So 1 by 2 into 3, here also into 3. Here we can see denominators 1, 3, 2. 1 here. Then 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. How will add these three? As we can see here denominators 1, 2, 3. What about LCM of 1, 2, 3 as 6, no? Then 1 into 6, 6. So here also into 6. 1 into 6 divided by 1 into 6 minus second fraction 1 by 2, LCM 6, no? Then 2 into how much is equal to 6? As 2 into 3 equals to 6. So here also we should do into 3 plus third fraction 1 by 3 or third rational number 1 by 3. Then 3 into 2 equal to 6, right? Then 1 into 2 also we have to do into m equals to 6 by 6 plus 4 by 6 minus 3 by 6. Okay. Then this is also equals to 6 by 6 minus 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6 into m equals to 6 plus 4 minus 3 all divided by equal denominator 6. Clear, no? Here we can see equal denominators. Upon equal denominator 6 minus 3 plus 2 into m equals to 7 by 6, right? 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 3, 7. This is also equals to 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 3, yes, 5. 5 by 6 into m is equals to 7 by 6. Now we have to find value of m from this. Easily can find, right? Here m is equals to 7 by 6 into 6 by 5, right? 7 by 6 into 6 by 5. If you need, you can cancel 6, 6. At last, m equals to 7 by 5. So our answer is ready. Value of m is 7 by 5. Or solution of this equation m minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3 is 7 by 5. Clear, no?